Hey there guys, Jaden321 here today, and today I'm showing you one of my vending machine creations. Here's a little look at it. Anyway, so let's start off by introducing this. This is my marble vending machine. So here is the trigger, lever also known as. Here's the money tray, and here's the outlet. So let's have a look at the mechanics. Okay, I'm back with the mechanics. So first of all, we have the money tray. So you put the money in through this area over here, and then it rolls down here and comes in here and goes into the tray. Turn along with that. Then we've got the trigger. So what the trigger does is that when you pull it downwards, it pulls, and when you push up, it pushes. So it moves this part down here. It goes. And what it does is that it pushes this part here backwards and forwards so that it can go into the tray. Then we've got our little hatch for where you put the marbles in. So close that, and then you get the lock over here and you lock it on, and that keeps it locked. And just simple to open it. Just pull the lock off and you open it up. Then there's it. Then we've got the outer. So when you pull this little trigger up, what it does is it pulls this up, and when you push it downwards, it pushes the thing back downwards and stops the thing it stops the marbles from coming out. So I'll be back when I've got this all back together, and I'll show you what it does. Guys, I'm back and I've finished building it. Here it is. And so what you do first is you get this ball, little marble, and you open up the lock and you put it in, and you close it, and you come over here where the trigger is. So this should start off up. So then you pull it down, and it lets the marble roll into where it's meant to be. And you come over here to the outlet, and then you pull this trigger up, which makes this open. You gotta pull it up all the way, and you tilt it forwards, and you got your marble. Then you close this. So you close this up. You come out around to the front, push this back up, and then you got your marble. So thank you everyone for watching this, and I'm out.